let's get started. As for the portrait, we're gonna do a simple looking straight at you kind of portrait because it's the easiest one to start with. And so I will use a pencil. You can use whatever, honestly. Like, this is just what I had in my pencil case. Using very simple materials, so you can see that it doesn't really matter what materials you use. So okay, let's start. First, you gotta be very gentle with your stroke. Like, as you can see, I'm holding the pencil very lightly. Like, I'm barely even holding it. Not like this, just like this. And I go up, and that's where I go with my strokes. So they're very, very light. You barely see them. This is a red pencil, so of course you will see it a bit more. But I recommend starting with just a lead pencil. And so, or carbon, that's good too. So we will start with a circle. It doesn't have to be perfect, just a circle on the page. And then we put a line through the middle. Then we do a little chin here. And then at the end of the circle, we add another line. And now we connect the dots. And we go like this. And now we can start adding more features according to the dimension of my face. Since the ears start where the eyes start and they end where the nose ends, and we don't want like Megamind here, I'm gonna start placing it to have a rough guide. You can later change the ears, of course. I do it pretty often. And so I want my forehead to be around this size. So here would be my eyebrows, and here would be my eyes, and here would be my nose, and here would be my mouth. And so I can start by adding sort of a guide for my ears. Okay, there you go. And okay, and now I will do a bit of mouth. How I like to do the mouth is just first start with the ends, just like a little coma thingy. And then, oh, this is a bit too big. Is it? Yep, it is. I don't have I don't have an eraser. See, that's why. Okay, this is gonna be a little more thing. You're gonna be creative, okay? And so I go like this little mountain, and then that, and then I add the bottom of the lip, and that's how I leave it. A little bit of shadow here, and that's it. You can also add the Cupid's bow, but I like it like this. Well, now there's a little Cupid's bow, I guess. And now we go on with the nose. You gotta be very careful with the size of your mouth and the nose, because the measurements are supposed to be the ends of the mouth are the middle of the iris, and the ends of the nose are the beginning of the eye. And so, for example, let's go on with the nose, and I'll explain. For the nose, some people seem to have trouble with it, and end up with noses like this. I see this very often, like sort of like that. I recommend going about it first. Don't be so tough on your pencil, poor thing. Go with a circle, like a little clown, and then go with another circle on the side, 2 circles, and then you can just go like this. And add the nose and give it the features that you want. I want a sort of crooked nose because why not? I think unique features are very beautiful, and so I will go with that. I go to the ends like this, and now I will add the eyes. And so since this is the end, they should start around here. Gonna do downward eyes because why not? Let's go here. Okay, that's looking good. Now we add the iris. Since they're looking straight at us, the iris should be in the middle, and there's no white space left below the iris. And so yeah, it will be just like a cut off circle. And now I will add the pupil. I like doing a half, like a little moon thing, because it shows like a little bit of highlight. For this case, our light is gonna come from here, and so this will be the space left blank, and then we can do a little bit of shadow here. At least that's what I do. And now we can add the folds of the eyes, a little bit of eyelashes, and same here. Be sure to not have your notebook at an angle because it can change your vision of the drawing. So yeah, this is a bit harder because I can't see the note very well. But anyway, we go like this. And this one's darker because there's less light on this side. We can go like that. Just a bit of this and the fold. Now we can go on with the eyebrows. And so here's where the bridge ends. Here starts the eyebrows. I like sort of bushy eyebrows, and so at first you just want to go like this because it isn't exactly the same amount of hair on all the eyebrow, and then I just go like that, and then at the end I just disperse it a bit to keep it like sort of natural brow. I do the same on this side. There you go. I like making them different because no one has perfect eyebrows, it's just a thing. And so now I can just finish off details, and as you can see, here's the beginning and the middle is the eyebrow. You can add a bit more, it isn't enough, that's it. And then I add the neck, which is around the end of the eye. Guys tend to have a bit of broader shoulders, I'm sorry, and Adam's apple, so you can go like that. And as for the ears, they normally have a little half circle thingy on here, and then a Y here, and then they go out. Y, they go out. And finally for the hair, you know what, let's do curly hair for this one. It's pretty fun to do. You gotta start always here on the crown of the head. I'm gonna go here, and you just go like this, and you go on the side. You can do whatever hairstyle you like. It does take a while though. I'm gonna say curly hair takes more time than normal hair, and so it is very helpful to have a guide when it comes to drawing faces, or like a reference at least. I usually always do. Right now I'm just like freestyling it. And if you're using a pencil, you can just erase the marks. I'm leaving them and using the red pencil because you can always look back at this. And so I just go around. They don't have to be all perfectly coily. Like some might be like this, which is like a sort of 3C curl, and some might be just like this, and they just change a lot because it's not perfectly curly everywhere, and that's normal. So you just gotta go around, and some always falls a bit here, especially in guys, next to the ears. And if it's like a bit of longer hair, maybe some here behind the ears. And there you go. You have your portrait looking straight at you. You can always keep adding and make it bigger. It depends on how puffy you want it to be. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was very helpful. You can still add some more details, like a bit of blush, I don't know. You can always add your own style. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, and see you guys later. Thank you.